Work for performance yacht sails, and this is the NEEL 52. And the NEEL 52s and most of all our boats, we've got the main cabin in the first floor. All this hull is dedicated just for the owners. You get a small office with all your drawers, toilet, independent shower, and a wet locker all the way in the front. You got this kitchen, enormous, dishwasher, 2 fridges, 2 freezers, plenty of storage. Up here too, and all around. Got the freezers here, both sides. Okay. Nav station. Here you get access to 2 other rooms with a shared bathroom. Still, you got another room here in the front. With another head here in the back.
Oh, okay.
So you can access to this head through both sides.
Oh, nice.
Technical room and engine room.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
This is all lithium batteries, all the server batteries.
Look at that. That's awesome.
Water maker, AC, your washer dryer, all your tools. And if you go there to the back, you open this hatch. Access to the engine room.
Oh wow, look at that.
You can walk all around,
Oh my gosh.
plenty of space.
That's huge.
And at your right, you got the generator. This boat has an integral, a high output alternator.
That is huge.
And if we turn around and we go upstairs, you can go to the Helm station. So you got three electric winches, 2 speeds, and you got this flat winch that we use it as a topping lift to lift the dinghy.
Nice.
We also have 2 more electric winches there on this side. So you can furl the Genoa from here, Genoa or the stay sail or your sheets, spinnaker sheets. And you got here, down here, you got the captain's room. Captain's room, got the bed.
Nice. Oh, it's big.
Yeah, and it has an AC.
Oh, nice.
AC plugs, everything. And the other side, you can also configure the boat to have a crew room. Go forward. You got plenty of room here for the fenders, more storage there for the sails. This is a chain locker. You got a staysail, a Genoa, Jenneker, and you got also a parasailer in this boat. It's fully equipped. I don't know if I mentioned you, but you got the lounge there. You got the bar here. Small kitchen. You can put the owner already also has a barbecue. We haven't installed it yet. You got a huge freezer and another fridge.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.